This is where we at with the floor right now. And it's driving me crazy. Now I need to get up these little spots here and there. Of course, this is not coming up as easily as it should, but I got my little hand chisel right there, and I literally got to chisel through this stuff because this is like rock hard over here. Then I got to do the same over there. See, I made like a couple little paths to see if I can get under with my scraper. The reason I want to get all this off is because this floor is at a different level, and it's like a little hump. When we put that laminate flooring down, I want it to be nice and smooth. Landing on top of this here, it won't be nice and smooth. It might if we use like some hard on, but it's still gonna be like some little lump. And my OCD kick in, I just want everything to be flat, so I ain't have to worry about it. And I can also screw down the subfloor too, because you know over the years, they used nails when they originally did this floor, so those start to come back up and then start to create squeaks. So I want to be able to throw some screws down too to actually make sure this boy is squeak proof. Yeah, man, I'm just chiseling away. This stuff taking all day. And this is like what, 2 floors for real that's on top of here. So we got this little sticky tile and whatever is underneath. And of course we already got done ripping out the tile.
It's time to break some. Break some. Break some.
Oh, that's in the garbage can. That's like the second load there. But I need to go get my dumpster and bring that over here. Then we're gonna go take a look at some floors and see what floors we're gonna be able to get. And potentially match with this flooring here. So let us know what colors do y'all think that'll match good with this flooring here. Thinking of probably coming out the kitchen and doing the whole floor, but I ain't really trying to do that. I ain't gonna lie. That's just extra bread, money that we can put elsewhere, like the roof. I'm gonna attempt to use my oscillating tool, see if I can get under there with this bad baby. Right there mentioned a heat gun, but I don't think it's here. Unnecessary dusting. I'll go get my torch. So I just experimented with this torch and it worked. So that's what I'm gonna use because that's way quicker than beating this floor up. It just smelled terrible. So we're gonna cut on some air circulation. I don't care, you was right.
Oh, yeah.
A little burnt, but it worked. So I'm gonna try to heat it up and hit it with the floor scraper. I'm gonna try to heat up the scraper. I think this is gonna work. Sheesh. So for the most part, we done. We just got a couple little islands to knock down. We got this little spot, this little spot. Now we need another garbage can. Well, we about to go look at some floors and go grab a dumpster, a refrigerator, and baby kids.
Start with the new floor. It is so hard.
And that's how you get it out of the box?
Yeah.
Interesting.